morale during the training time, we had a lot of fun. We walked a lot inside to a DVD, an exercise DVD, and it was a lot of fun. We laughed a lot, we spurred each other on, and today was no different, you know. And we were kind of teasing each other at the end, who walked fast, who walked slow. So yeah, it was good morale, and I think people overall are feeling healthier in a lot of different ways, body, mind, and spirit. You know, they set a goal and they reached it, and that's accomplishment. So emotionally, I think they're feeling good about that.
Oh, right now my feet is hurting, and but right now I just realized I finished, you know, and that was most important. Didn't care what time I finished or, you know, what place I came in, but I finished the race, and that was more important than anything. So I, like I said, it's a challenge, and also I've been challenged for next year for running the 5K instead of walking it. For the next week coming, I'll be out walking again. You know, so I know that we're not walking as a group, but I got to continue to do what I'm doing walking because it's working. My weight is coming down and my health is getting better. So that's a whole lot for me.